What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got a Camaro to show you today. It's nothing too terribly special. It's an LS or an LT. I forgot what the trim level is. This one does have a Flowmaster exhaust on it though. Has a decent sound to it. And then I think the previous one I put on these stripes. Then they did one other thing on the interior, but let's check this one out. The lighting is not going to be the best on this video. I'm just going to be real with you guys. Look at the kind of day it is. There's no sun out here. Living in the Midwest kind of sucks. Yeah, let's check this thing out. I'm not going to do the back seat test, mostly because I can't fit. This is a little bit weird though. I don't know why Chevy owners, I see people do this with the trucks all the time. They like to black out the bow tie, the Chevy bow tie. They don't like the gold for some reason, but then this is peeling. I'd rather just have it gold than to have the black peeling, but people make all kinds of weird decisions. But anyway, let's check this thing out, see if it squeaks, see how cheap or expensive it may be. And now for the button test. There is no final button. We just got to turn the key, just like the good old days. Here's the odometer, in case you're wondering. This is actually really low miles for this year. Anyway, how did this thing do? Well, guys, I gotta tell you, I don't get into a lot of Chevys too often. As you can see, my channel mostly focuses on luxury cars because that's what people are more interested in. Even though this is like a kind of a sporty car, it's not an average car, that's for sure, but it is from Chevy, and it does, I hate to say this, have a Chevy interior. Kind of is what it is. It's not that great on the inside though. I mean, the driving experience, okay, it drives like a Camaro, but everything in here is pretty darn cheap. Most of this really is just hard plastics. There's a couple spots, like in this area, that's soft touch. Little armrest right here, soft touch, but the rest is really hard plastic. And we got cloth inserts, or like some kind of fabric, which I'm not really liking. That just screams cheap to me, so don't like that. This is all just hard plastic. It's kind of bad, not gonna lie. We got cloth seats, don't like that one bit. Headliner's cloth, but the sun visor is, can't really focus here due to the lighting, but I wish you guys were here to see this. This is hard plastic. The sun visor is literally nothing special. That's kind of what we're dealing with here. My bottom line here is the materials in this car are definitely below average, but then it's not really a fault to this car. It is what it is. The Camaro that came after this one, the current generation, that one did improve quite a bit, but we are reviewing this car and not that one after all. So the material score, I'm going to give that a 3 out of 10. That's one of the lowest scores I've given in a while. Again, I know you can upgrade to leather seats and all of that. Again, I'm reviewing this particular car. As far as the fit and finish goes, it's actually not too bad in here. There were a couple minor squeaks in here, like from over here, and there was like a little bit of squeakage on the door. Otherwise, this was pretty solid aside from those, but those were still there. I would give the fit and finish score 7 out of 10. Here's the final score, guys. 3 out of 10 for the materials, 7 out of 10 for fit and finish. I usually get the fit and finish score before the materials. I guess I talked about the materials first. That's what was on my mind. Me and my brain. Anyway, cool car. Again, if you want something that's kind of fun and cheap, absolutely nothing wrong with this, to be honest. And if you don't mind the interior shortcomings, this would be a good car for somebody. But for somebody who's an OCD freak like me, not so much. But anyway, thank you guys for watching the video. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.